Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. This is the BMW X5M that we've been working on. So this is a short video just to demonstrate a bit about the installation that we've carried out on this particular vehicle. So obviously a really smart looking vehicle already. So as we can see in here, in the grills, we've got lighting in there. We've also got a little gadget down there, and also the flash pattern there. So obviously as this vehicle's coming towards you, it's nice and covert and looks like that. So sit around the vehicle here. As you can see in the dashboard as well, we've got a dash camera as well. This is the Cuvia AR792 channel. Within the glasswork here, we've also placed some more lighting, and on the back as well we've got even more. So this has got the rear camera, you can just about see it there, that's the rear camera, and we've got red and amber flashes there as well. So I just want to show you inside the actual vehicle here. So just to show you a bit more about the installation. So it's really neat, there's nothing really visible, that's the only bit of cable that you see. So really neat install there. So we really focus, our business is really focused around covert installation. So for anything like this, please do give us a call. We're happy, we always like to go through, everything is bespoke to order. So we'll just start to step into the actual vehicle here. So as you can see, all looks pretty factory. So we've got in here Cuvia AR790 dash cam. We've also got a Target Blue Eye device, which is an emergency service warning device. Those of you who haven't heard that before. We've got Brodit holders, so you can hold your phone and work safely. Obviously the vehicle already has Bluetooth, so it's all safe in that manner too. One of the main things that we've done, you won't probably be able to see it that well. I'll try to get the angle in here. But all the lighting switches, I don't think we'll be able to see it, but all the lighting is actually on little rocker switches in there. So it's a bit too dark for it to see. But you literally go in and press the buttons in there, and that's it. So that's how you control the whole system. We've also on the dashboard here got a Road Angel gem as well. So as you can see, a really smart looking vehicle. Obviously with all these added on extras, so all compliant with current laws. So it's not just about health and safety, looks the part, and also can be driven as a normal car, but also has the functionality of doing all its off-road use there. So for anything like this, please do give us a call. So this is the BMW X5M. This vehicle is owned by SMS Smarter Metering, so we'd just like to thank them for giving us this the opportunity to work on this absolute brilliant car. We've done a couple of vehicles for the company. They all turn out really good. So for more videos like this, or for more pictures of this vehicle and this install, please do give us a call and we'll happily send them over to you so you can see exactly behind the scenes of how the installation was carried out. Contact number for us is 01223 56 30 30, or visit us online. I'll put a couple of links below for all the products that we've used, as well as our main website and our contact number. So thank you very much again for watching, and we look forward to working on your vehicle soon. Thank you.